So here is my girl, Michelle McQuaid. This is the first that I'm aware of product that she put out, the Strengths Blueprint, How to Be Engaged, Energized and Happy at Work. And this is character strengths, the VS Strengths Survey strengths. And it is just that, how to put your strengths to work every day. Because we know strengths are our well-developed neural pathways. They make things more effortless. They make things more energizing. We are happier, we are more engaged, we are less likely to have accidents, etc., when we are putting our strengths to work. And importantly, we are more flexible in our thinking when our strengths are at play. So either the Strength Blueprint by Michelle McQuaid, or I just recommend going on to her website, michellemcquaid.com, and it is full of free downloads, podcast episodes, and so forth, some of which I will link into the portal for you. Awesome little book. Enjoy.